Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Terrorize Your Neighbors During a Homicide Investigation."
On August 21st, 2025, officers were conducting a potential homicide investigation when a neighbor began acting disorderly.
Dirty ass shit going on. Dirty. This is dirty shit going on. Ain't no way. What he talking about? He said he's sitting on the steps and he ain't hear nothing. You sitting on the steps, you ain't hear no gunshot, no nothing going. You don't hear what going on? You don't hear nothing going on? You don't hear nothing going on? You sitting on the steps?
I can't talk to you like this.
I'm sorry, but bro.
If you want to talk to me, I'll talk to you inside.
I don't want to. This my brand new. That's my man, bro. Ain't no way.
You don't know her?
I feel like this shit not real.
You
It ain't
know
no
her,
way
though?
this shit real.
You, sir?
I told her I got her.
You know her?
And she needed me. I stay right here. I stay right here. That's my friend. I stay right here. I stay right there. That's my friend.
Okay.
And I've been told her, I mean, she need me for anything.
Okay.
The kids, she need my help.
Okay.
The kids,
So,
anything.
Why are you yelling at these folks? They don't
I'm not
know
yelling
you.
at them. I'm not yelling at them. I don't know what the hell going on with my friend. I'm not yelling at you. I mean, it's whatever, but I'm not yelling at nobody. I'm mad because there's nobody saying what the fuck on with her. Nobody telling me a damn thing.
Okay. So maybe it's because of how you're behaving.
I don't care.
Okay. Well,
That's my friend.
if you don't care.
I don't. I'm sorry, sir.
Right.
You okay? Don't worry about it. You got you know what I will soon know. But don't worry about it. I will soon know. You know what I'm saying?
Sue?
I will soon know. I didn't say sue. Where you get sued from?
Maybe it's
I said I will sue.
He gets sued because that's what everybody keeps saying. That's why he gets sued. But I'ma sue you. I'ma sue this. Yeah, everybody say that. It's a part of the regular. It's part of the lingo. But it's like these cops got a lot to deal with already on their plate. But then it's like when things don't go as smooth as they should, when you're just dealing with one thing, okay, let's handle this. We got to take care of this. But with other people distracting and all this other stuff, oh boy, come on, man.
Maybe it's because of your behavior. But if you go inside, I'll speak with you.
I'm not gonna go inside or nothing.
Okay.
Hell no.
I don't think this is the problem, girl, though.
My mom.
Gotta be somebody else.
I'm waiting on my mom to come right now.
Who's inside?
Nobody. I'm waiting on my mom to get here.
And then what?
My mom. I'm waiting on my mom to get here.
And then what?
What you mean? And then what?
What you mean? What do I mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What do you mean?
What you mean? Is she coming here to pick you up? Is she coming here to pick you up?
Please, you doing too much. Pick me up for what? I stay here. What are you doing too much? Come here. Talking about.
Okay.
The
So you guys
friend, nobody telling me what.
Yeah, I know she's under the
Would you
influence.
feel
I can
that way
smell
if that was
alcohol.
your friend? Or if that was your fellow officer, would you feel that way? Would you not be upset? Would you not be mad? No,
If
Oh, the
you wanna
detectives.
Talk, I'll talk to you inside.
probably wouldn't cry. No one's talking about nothing. Would you not cry if that was your that was your friend? That was your homeboy, your partner, your baby. Would you not cry? If you held on.
Crying is one thing, though. Screaming is another, man. That's all.
Right, down here, I'm expressing my feelings. Yeah, I can go down here by the fence if I want to. I stay over here. You can tell me I can't go back.
Right, this is housing property, correct?
I'm not worried about no housing. What they got to do with me?
Right, but you're under the
following me?
influence. You're under the influence, okay?
My friend just got.
Understand that, but look, you're screaming and yelling.
It don't
okay?
matter what I'm doing.
Why can't you go
is you
inside?
worrying me?
Because
my friend just got. You don't understand that. Do you not hear what I'm just saying? You're trying to make it about something else.
You're trying to make it about you.
You're making it about, well, go down there. I'm going to be up. My friend just not here no more. So how are we making it about? We making it about somebody else and she's not here no more.
Keep your voice down.
For what?
Because you're
I'm going to show expression. No, I'm going to
okay?
show my expression. My friend just got. You don't understand that, officer?
Right. And you could,
Officer Bowen, you don't understand that?
You could contribute.
To what? She's gone. She's not here no more. Jesus rest her soul. She's not here no more. Contribute to what? Jesus, please.
To the investigation.
God. Jesus,
to
please.
the investigation.
Jesus Christ.
Do you understand you can help us?
Jesus. What is going on, Jesus? I'm so sorry. What is going on? Jesus, please come here and help us.
Do you realize
Come on,
you can help us?
Jesus, please.
Why he keep? All right, so it's like it's a couple of things going on here. Does he want to lock her up? I get it. She's loud. She's annoying. You know, I mean, but somebody did just die. You know, you do gotta give a little grace there. You know what I mean? You gotta let a little bit go. But it seems like the officer is just following her around with all the other officers is down there dealing with what they got to deal with. I mean, if she's just down there talking with these other folks or whatever, you ain't gonna go with the other officers?
Jesus, please.
Yes.
Jesus, please help us. What is going on this earth? Because this shit don't make no sense. What the hell going on? Nobody figuring out what's going on. Nobody saying what's going on.
If she happens to listen
Nobody saying how it
we
happening.
could speak to
Nobody saying anything.
and she could help.
Christ,
But
please,
by yelling and screaming, we can't get any information.
I'm praying.
And any information she has would probably be helpful.
We need Jesus right now. I'm praying. Jesus Christ, please help us. Please come down and help us right now.
No, hey, I'm not sure your name.
Oh, he's back.
But you can't scream fuck out here any longer, okay?
Officer, please leave me alone,
Okay,
bro.
please go inside, okay?
Why is you doing the most?
Because you're the most aggravating, and I'm the only one available to deal with you.
Aggravating? This is not your people. What do you mean aggravating?
Look,
How is
that
it
is her
aggravating?
boyfriend right there. Okay? So if you want to speak to me,
you know it's other people that care about her too, right?
Okay.
You know it's other people that love her too, right?
Go inside and yell if you want to yell. Let out your
other
emotions.
people that love her too,
And
right?
you could call us if you want to speak.
You don't have to do that because I done seen my brother-in-law when he over in Paldo, over where it's called Columbia Brookside. When he shot himself, I'm talking about, don't worry about my phone. Okay. When in Paldo, Columbia Brookside, they was all out in the street. His sisters and brothers, everybody was hiding. The police didn't even talk to them, touch them.
I'm asking you not to yell fuck anymore, okay?
You ain't gonna tell me, man, this is my family. This is my family. How you gonna keep telling me what to do? This is my family.
Because you.
But why they got kids out here and somebody is hurt? Somebody is hurt. Somebody is hurt. I was in my house before this happened. Somebody came and got me out my house. So you cannot tell me about my influence. You cannot tell me about influence because I was in my house. Somebody brought me out here. My kids are upstairs. What do you mean?
Then why are you out here yelling and not taking care of them?
What you mean? Why am I not taking care of them? My kids is old enough to take care of themselves. I need they older. They are. It's none of your business. When you stop, you trying to find somewhere else to harass. You need to be finding out what's going on with my friend. You trying to make that shit to somebody else. It ain't about no distracting. It's not about no distracting.
Do you know
what you're saying, officer?
That's a good question.
Why are you standing here on my porch worried about me screaming about my friend? My friend is finna get carried off in the corner. You don't care if my friend.
I'd like you to speak to me.
Do you not care if my friend? I don't want to speak to you, Officer Bowen. You don't care if my friend is. What if my friend is right now and you talking about speak to you? What if she's? I don't know anything. Nobody told me. Nobody confirmed it. Nobody confirmed it to me. Nobody confirmed it to me. So I don't know. So what if my friend is and you ain't telling me nothing? You didn't confirm it to me. You didn't say anything. You did, but what you over here telling me?
I'll tell you.
What you over here telling me? No, I don't want to go inside. I'm waiting on my mama pulling up right now. No, I don't want to go inside.
You know, mama always gonna pull up. You know what I mean? Mama always gonna pull up, man. Yeah, this is real confusing because on one end the officer is like, I want you to talk to me, you know, and get some information. But then on the other hand, it's like it seems like he really want to lock her up, and she is kind of being, you know, whatever, either creating a disturbance or disorder. You know, she's loud. Like it is true.
You should be confirming to me whether my friend is.
You're talking.
It don't. Well, whether you do or not, whether you like it or not, Officer Bowen. But my friend could be. I don't care if you like it or not. I don't care if you like it or not, Officer.
She has kids inside. Otherwise, I probably would go 1095. I could, but I don't want to deal with the kids.
Not about neither one of y'all three. So don't tell me what's going on.
We got complaints from the neighbors, and I'm worried about instigating a fight. So she's already broken the law by yelling and screaming, being under the influence. So you guys just have to understand. Those neighbors complain. I don't want a conflict with y'all. I've asked her 6 times to go inside. So
You ain't worried about it. You finna lock her up?
I have to. I'm going to have choices.
You can hear her.
We appreciate you when this is going on. Sick of that shit, because I feel like somebody did something to my motherfucking friend, and then nobody gonna say what did something, somebody did something to her. I know somebody did something to my goddamn friend.
Relax, okay? I've asked you several times, okay, to please stop yelling.
Damn, that's the quietest she's been.
So the girl that they just put in the car yesterday when they just come over here, they said her.
Unfortunately, I asked her a bunch of times to please keep it down. She refused. I asked her mom to help.
You gonna lock me up, Mr. Bowen?
I asked you to go inside.
My friend just. That's not my neighbor, that's my friend, Officer Bowen.
Right.
You understand that that's my best friend? You don't understand that's my best friend?
I do, but the problem is...
What you mean, Officer Bowen? That's my best friend.
That's the...
I'm just okay. I'm just saying. I'm not worried about that. I'm just saying that's my best friend.
And I can appreciate that.
You didn't call your mama. That's my best friend. And you don't call her. And I'm
do you know her mom's number?
That's my best friend.
Okay.
That's
Can
my
you get in
best
touch
friend.
with the housing?
You gonna lie me up here? That's my
we're gonna
best
need an
friend.
apartment secured.
You don't want me to care about my best friend.
Disorderly conduct.
I must have disorderly conduct, and this my friend, my best friend. Are you serious?
I really wanted you to contribute to the investigation.
Mr. Bowen, what you mean? She just came to my house and somebody did something to my best friend. You're not gonna say anything.
What did you want me to say? I asked
somebody who did something to my best friend.
Right, I asked you if you would cooperate with
about
us.
that. No, you was not trying to say anything about who did something to her. Them folks over there did something to my. They did something to my friend.
Detectives over there.
They did something to my friend, and you're not gonna say anything.
I'm not.
So you're not.
Because there's 3 detectives over there.
You're not gonna say anything. These folks, you see them folks and they did something to my friend. You're not gonna say nothing.
No, 3 detectives and a supervisor. So I wanted to talk to you.
That's okay. Now that's messed up that you did that to me. That's my. I'm the only one that carried the car.
I don't think so.
I'm the only one. You should mean you don't think so? I'm the only one that care about her, Mr. Bowen. Why you can't give me a chance? This is my friend. Just Mr. Bowen. Most people give the girl that was out here. She nut up over there. She fighting everything. They pulled her over here and they gave her another chance. And my best friend just not gonna give me no chance.
Come on, you can't get another chance. The officer did ask you multiple times to keep it down. You can't sit there and say, now, give me another chance. It don't work like that. He been giving you chances. I don't know. It was hard for me to read it in the beginning, but when he actually moved over to the other crowd and, you know, when he was talking to the group right before he locked her up, now I understood it a lot better. Like, because he's over there with that one group and explaining everything. Yeah, we're gonna have to lock her up. And you could still hear her loud yelling and all of that down there. So I got a better understanding of it. But up until that point, I was like, I'm heeing and hawing. Like, damn, does he really just want to lock her up? Or like, what is she really doing the most? You know, I was like, but no, she's doing the most. She's doing the most.
I asked you how many times.
I'm just saying, they gave her like a lot of chances.
Yeah, that's what I
Don't have it.
I mean, I gave you, it's not about chances. It's about your neighbors getting tired of it. And I asked you a bunch of times, please go inside. I wanted to talk to you.
That's
I wanted
my
to
best friend.
Right. I wanted to get information from you.
My best friend. I love her so much. I'm the only one that love her. I'm just my best friend, and he already been abusive to her, dragging her up.
I don't see one tear.
And yes, I understand.
The woman was taken to jail and charged with disorderly conduct. Thanks for.
Oh boy, I ain't see one tear. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Man, save it, man.